How to save PDF in gallery. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, go to Play Store and then you will have to install an application called PDF to Image. PDF, the number 2 and then IMG. So this is the app you would be looking for. Simply install it and then after launching the image, you'll just have to select get PDF file and then select an image. After that, your image will be converted to PDF in your gallery. You can also do the vice versa. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.